tell me about yourself and your qualifications?
Santa Cruz, Laguna. I consider myself a hardworking and motivated person who is always willing to learn. I enjoy reading fiction stories during my free time because it helps me improve my focus, imagination, and creativity. I believe these qualities help me become more responsible and attentive at work.
What is your edge among the other applicants?
My edge among other applicants is that I am responsible, organized, and eager to learn new things. I always try to do my tasks properly and on time. And I am open to learning from others, especially in a work environment.
Why do you want to work here?
I want to work here because I like the company's values and I believe this company can help me grow professionally. I also want to contribute my skills, learn from the team, and be part of a positive and supportive workplace.
What are your greatest strengths?
My greatest strengths are being organized, detail oriented, and dependable. I make sure that my work is done carefully and correctly. I can be trusted to finish tasks given to me.
What are your weaknesses?
One of my weaknesses is public speaking. Sometimes I feel nervous when speaking in front of many people, but I am slowly improving my confidence by practicing and exposing myself to new situations.
Where do you see yourself 5 years from now?
In 5 years, I see myself more skilled, confident, and experienced in my career. I want to continue learning, improving myself, and helping the company grow and succeed.
Can you tell me about a difficult work situation and how you overcome it?
I once experienced a misunderstanding with a coworker. Instead of arguing, I talked to them calmly and listened to their side. Through proper communication, we were able to understand each other.
How do you define success?